Hello guys, welcome to Infonity. This is your host Mark. So today's our topic is about exploring the underwater world. Without any further delay, let's get started. The underwater world is a vast and fascinating realm that is often hidden from our view. Covering more than 70% of the Earth's surface, the oceans are home to a staggering diversity of life, from tiny plankton to massive whales. The oceans are also home to a wide variety of ecosystems, from shallow coral reefs teeming with colorful fish to deep-sea trenches that are barely explored. Despite its size and importance, the underwater world remains largely unknown to us. Many species of marine life have yet to be discovered, and there is much we still have to learn about the ecosystems and processes that govern life under the sea. Despite this, the underwater world is facing many challenges. Pollution, overfishing, and climate change are all taking a toll on marine life and ecosystems. It is important that we understand and protect the underwater world, not only for the sake of the animals that call it home, but also for our own benefit. The oceans play a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate and supporting human life, and it is up to us to ensure that they are preserved for future generations. Marine life is adapted to thrive in the unique conditions of the underwater world. Many marine animals have evolved specialized features that allow them to survive and prosper in their underwater habitats. One of the most basic adaptations is the ability to breathe underwater. Many marine animals, including fish and some invertebrates, have gills that allow them to extract oxygen from the water. Other animals, like whales and dolphins, have developed the ability to hold their breath and surface to inhale air before diving back underwater. Marine animals also have specialized bodies that allow them to move through the water efficiently. Fish, for example, have streamlined bodies that reduce drag and allow them to swim at high speeds. Other animals, like dolphins and seals, have flippers or webbed feet that help them propel themselves through the water. In addition to these basic adaptations, marine life exhibits a wide variety of unique characteristics that set it apart from other forms of life. Some animals, like the lanternfish, can produce their own light through a process called bioluminescence. This allows them to communicate, attract mates, and evade predators in the dark depths of the ocean. Other animals, like the cuttlefish, can change the color and pattern of their skin to blend in with their surroundings, a process known as camouflage. These unique characteristics are just a small sample of the incredible diversity of marine life and the adaptations that allow it to thrive in the underwater world. Marine life and ecosystems face a wide variety of threats that threaten their survival. Some of the most significant threats include pollution. The oceans are subjected to a range of pollutants, including oil spills, sewage, and chemical runoff from land. These pollutants can have harmful effects on marine life and ecosystems, including death, disease, and reproductive problems. Overfishing. The demand for seafood has led to overfishing, which is the practice of catching more fish than can be sustainably replaced. Overfishing can lead to the depletion of fish populations and damage to ecosystems. Climate change. The Earth's climate is changing as a result of human activities, and this is having a significant impact on marine life and ecosystems. Warming oceans, rising sea levels, and more frequent extreme weather events are all taking a toll on the underwater world. These threats have serious consequences for marine life and ecosystems. They can lead to the loss of biodiversity, the collapse of entire ecosystems, and the disruption of important ecological processes. It is important that we take steps to address these threats and protect the underwater world. Fortunately, there are many conservation efforts underway to help protect marine life and ecosystems. These efforts include the establishment of marine protected areas, the implementation of sustainable fishing practices, and the reduction of pollution. It is up to all of us to support these efforts and do our part to protect the underwater world. There are many ways to explore and learn about the underwater world, from snorkeling and scuba diving to submarine expeditions. These activities allow us to see firsthand the incredible diversity of marine life and the beauty of the underwater world. One of the most popular ways to explore the underwater world is through scuba diving. Scuba diving involves using a self-contained underwater breathing apparatus, scuba, to breathe underwater and move freely through the water. Scuba diving allows you to get up close and personal with marine life and see parts of the ocean that are otherwise inaccessible. Snorkeling is another popular way to explore the underwater world. Snorkeling involves wearing a mask, snorkel, and fins and floating on the surface of the water while using the snorkel to breathe. Snorkeling is a great way to see marine life and the underwater world without the need for specialized training or equipment. For those who want to go even deeper, there are submarine expeditions that allow you to explore the ocean in a small, submersible vessel. These expeditions allow you to see parts of the ocean that are too deep to reach by scuba diving or snorkeling, and can provide an up-close look at some of the most remote and mysterious parts of the underwater world. No matter how you choose to explore the underwater world, there are many incredible and beautiful places to see marine life. Some of the most popular destinations include the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, the Galapagos Islands in Ecuador, and the Caribbean Sea. Each of these places offers a unique and breathtaking look at the underwater world and the amazing creatures that call it home. In conclusion, the underwater world is a vast and fascinating realm that is home to a staggering diversity of life. From coral reefs teeming with colorful fish to deep-sea trenches that are barely explored, the oceans are full of wonders that are waiting to be discovered. Despite its beauty and importance, the underwater world is facing many threats, including pollution, overfishing, and climate change. It is up to all of us to do our part to protect and preserve this incredible ecosystem. There are many ways to explore and learn about the underwater world, including scuba diving, snorkeling, and submarine expeditions. Whether you are a seasoned diver or simply a curious landlubber, there are many opportunities to discover the wonders of the underwater world. We hope this video has inspired you to learn more about the incredible world that lies beneath the waves. Together, we can work to protect and preserve this amazing ecosystem for future generations.